to hard reset any Itel mobile device that you have forgotten the password, pattern, pin, face lock, fingerprint. This is the video that will help you to unlock such device. So the first thing you have to do in order to hard reset any Itel mobile device is to press this device off. To turn this device off, turn it off. Give it few seconds for the device to completely turns off. So the next thing you have to do is to press the volume down key and the power key together for few seconds. Hold the two keys, volume down key and the power key together for few seconds. You have to release the two keys when you see the Itel logo on your screen. So the next thing from here you'll see is no command. No command should come up from here. So this is no command. How you can exit no command is to press and hold the power key and then you tap the volume up key once. So we are done with the no command menu. So the next thing you have to do is to use this recovery menu to reset your device. So the first thing we have to do is to wipe the cache partition by using your volume down key to navigate to wipe cache partition. The next thing you have to do is to press on your power key, which serves as your select key. So the next thing you have to do is to use the volume down key again to go to yes. So when you get to this point, you have to use the power key again because it serves as your select key. As I told you earlier, click it once to kickstart and complete the cache wipe partition. So the next thing you have to do is to use your volume down key to execute the main task of the day, which is to hard reset this device. So use your volume down key to navigate to wipe data stroke factory reset. Click on or select this option by using the power key. Click on it once to take you to wipe data stroke factory reset. So this is wipe data stroke factory reset. Use your volume down key to navigate to factory data reset. So when you get to factory data reset, the next thing you have to do is to click on your power key to kickstart the resetting process. Wait for a few seconds for the resetting process to be completed. As you can see on the screen, it is completed. So the next thing you have to do to continue the resetting process is to use reboot system now. So we are on reboot system now. Use the power key to click on reboot system now and wait for for few seconds for the process to continue. Give it few seconds for the resetting process to continue from here. In the meantime, if this is the first time you are on our channel, Latest Tech, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share it to your friends, share it to all social media platforms. If you have any question, don't forget to comment on this video. Don't forget to check out this channel for more interesting videos. Give it few seconds for the device to come up after we might have executed the resetting process using the volume down key and the power key together. And when we got to no command, we press and hold the power key and then tap the volume up key to exit no command, and it took us to the recovery menu at once. So this is the process. So the next thing you have to do is to select your language. Here we are using United States English, so click on next. So you select your country. Mine, I'll be choosing Nigeria. So let's go to where Nigeria is. select your preferred country and then click on next.